In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add dramatic details to your sports poster designs in just 4 easy steps. First step, go up to Filter and then choose Camera Filter. The first thing we're going to do is increase the sharpening within our Detail tab. This is the first way we will add any type of details to the player's skin, and then second way to add detail is in Effect tab, change the value of clarity as well as texture. Another adjustment I will make in every single design that I do is I'll add vibrancy. This adds color back into the skin. From there, you can turn down highlights, increase shadows, and decrease blacks. In second step, we adding highlights and shadows, so let's first start by adding a brightness and contrast layer. From there, we're going to decrease our brightness and increase our contrast. This will be our shadow layer, and then hit Command-I to invert your mask. This is a unique trick that not a lot of people know about. If you double-click on your image layer and then move the slider to the right, it shows you all the darkest points of your image. Now you may be asking, why is this important? Why are we doing this so? What this does is it creates a template for you to go to your paintbrush, make sure you're on white, and then what you can do is with a lower opacity, you can paint back on the shadows or the dark parts of your image. Where we've added the shadows to your image, it's a slight effect, but it's the little stuff that really makes your image pop. Right. While I'm doing the exact same thing for the highlight portion of this design, I do want to tell you guys, if you aren't subscribed, please consider doing so. I do a video like this every single week, and you guys don't want to miss out on any of them. Now go to Effect, then choose Blending Options here, Layer Style, and we take that slider off. You can see before and after by clicking Hide and Unhide Layer. Here we can see highlights is adding on image. It's a slight effect, but it's the little stuff that really makes your image pop. Right. While I'm doing the exact same thing for the highlight portion of this design. If you aren't subscribed, please consider doing so. I do a video like this every single week, and you guys don't want to miss out on any of them. Hey creators, if this video helped you learn something new, hit the like button, subscribe to Swastik Creations Lab for more Photoshop tutorials, design tips, and creative ideas. Don't forget to comment and share. Now in third step, we add next thing do is selective color. Selective color is one of those things that is a very subtle detail, but you can see how much of a difference it really makes. So go up to selective color, and we're going to be working in the yellows because that's skin tone. So if you add blacks back on, it makes your skin tone a little bit darker. Follow my setting. In last 4 step, you're going to want to do is press Ctrl, plus Alt, plus Shift, plus E command. This creates a single merge layer, and now we're going to go back up into the Camera Raw filter. Then go to Effect tab, increase clarity value, and then texture. A little bit of vibrancy just to add back on some color to it. Then add some grain on image to make it more realistic. Adding a distortion effect, and then stretching it across my canvas. I just think it's one of the best and coolest ways to make your image pop if you've been following step by step. This is what we started out with, and this is what we should have right now. Now that you guys have learned a little bit of how to manipulate your player's skin and shadows, check out some of my design breakdowns to learn a little bit more to what goes into making a full graphic design. Now you can see before and after player details add-on image, which looks amazing. If you like this video, hit subscribe button and like this video. If any other queries, comment on this video. Thanks for watching Swastik Creations Lab.